This video will guide you through Supervisor mode and its advanced editing capabilities. When signed in as an operator, a padlock icon on a job means you cannot edit or save it once started. Supervisors have the ability to lock jobs, restricting operators from making any modifications. Access Supervisor mode by selecting the icon in the upper right corner. Type in the password 2546 to proceed. After logging in, the padlock icon will appear unlocked, indicating supervisor access. To lock a job, press and hold it until the pop-up menu appears. Select Lock from the menu and confirm by tapping OK. The job is now successfully locked. After logout, operators will notice the job remains locked. Let's explore key features available when logged in as supervisor. Refer to the User Guide, Section 6 on page 89, for a full overview of supervisor menu settings. There, you'll find detailed explanations of every button in supervisor mode. The supervisor password, 2546, is also listed on page 93. Keep in mind that page numbers may vary with future user guide updates. Returning to supervisor mode, here are some notable features. Press and hold a job to open the shortcut menu. This feature is accessible to both supervisors and operators. Tap Edit to jump directly to the editing interface. The editing screen includes an Advanced button. Supervisors can use this to enable or disable double feed control. In Exit Settings, you'll find another Advanced button. This will give you your fine-tuning options. For full details on these features, consult the user guide. First, flap closer offset is mostly used if you have box folding on your carry envelopes. This will adjust the timing of how long the envelope goes in or how short it goes into the closer area. System output mode is set to mode 2 by default. With the purchase of a performance license, you can change it to mode 1. This change will collate single sheets based on timing. Next, document offset sets how close or far apart documents are going through the vertical track. Lastly, BRE offset can be toggled on or off. These features are exclusive to supervisor mode and not accessible to operators. Supervisors will see a menu button located on the left side of the screen. The Configuration tab displays the machine counter and the most recent fault message. There is also the software version. This tutorial is using a simulator, so it will not display a real software package under Settings. In the Settings tab, you can access date and time settings if setup or changes are needed. This is also where you can go to connectivity to set up My Folder Inserter online, either wired or wirelessly. These instructions are in the user guide and available on the knowledge base. The Diagnostics section includes a general system test for boot-up checks and error detection, plus photocell calibration after cleaning. The History tab, unavailable in the simulator, shows active jobs and allows saving job history to USB, including job name, runtime, and page count.